Hi everybody. In this video, we are going to discuss about the competitive environment in international business. So before going to competitive environment, let us see what is competition. In economics, competition is the rivalry among sellers trying to achieve such goals as increased profits, market share, and sales volume by varying the elements of marketing mix, that is price, place, product, distribution, and promotion. So, in economic sense, competition means it is the rivalry. It is a form of rivalry among the sellers, and this rivalry is made in the form of making variations in the elements of marketing mix like price, place, promotion, distribution, and product. And this is how the competition happens in business. See this image, how the competition is happening. If a person is moving in front of other competitors, then they will just try to lock him out or knock him out from the steps. This is what is happening in case of competition. And competitors means whom? Do you know who is a competitor? So competitor means it is a person or an entity which is a rivalry against another. In business, a company in the same industry or a similar industry which offers a similar product or service. So competitor means in business terms we can define a competitor as it may be a company in the same industry or a similar industry which offers the product similar which offers a similar product or service. The presence of one or more competitors can reduce the price of goods and services as the companies attempt to gain a larger market share. So, if there are more and more competitors available in the market, then there is a chance of reducing the price for goods and services. So, then let's see what are the different types of competitors. Mainly, competitors are classified into two, that is, direct competitors and indirect competitors. Direct competitors are those that sell very similar goods and services, and indirect competitors are those competitors that sell unrelated goods and services but to similar markets. Okay, so these are the two different types of competitors available in the market: direct competitor and indirect competitor. Direct competitors are those persons who sell very similar goods and services, and indirect competitors are those persons who sell unrelated goods and services, but they are selling those goods and services in the similar market. And this is how the competitors work, or this is how the market war is happening. And let us see some of the elements of competitive environment. Some of the elements of competitive environment include regulatory elements, direct competitors, indirect competitors, differentiation, technology. And let us see in detail what are the different elements of competitive environment. First one is the regulatory element. Regulatory elements include various government regulations and demands of professional licenses that have direct impact on environment in which a business tries to earn profit and on the ability of an organization to face on the competition. For example, when the state government's rules to make it compulsory for all the massage therapists to have licenses similar to the cosmologist, the competitive environment of a spa could be changed. So this is known as the regulatory element. So regulatory element, in short, we can say that it is the various laws and regulations and demands that is formed by the government that have direct impact on the business environment. And this is how the example goes. And next is direct competitors. Direct competitors are those that that sell very similar goods and services, and there will be the competition from other local computer repair shop as well as from the large retail chain offering the repairing of computer for a small computer repair business. This is how the example of direct competitors goes. So direct competitor, an example we can say that if there will be a competition from other local computer repair shop as well as a large retail chain that is offering repairing of computers for small computer repair businesses. So this is how the example goes for direct competitors. And the next one is indirect competitors. Indirect competitors are those who sell unrelated goods and services, but they will be selling this unrelated goods and services in the similar market. An example, a local restaurant present the competition for a fine dine restaurant. At the same time, the nearby supermarkets offering ready to eat meals also present competition to the nearby restaurants. So this is how the example goes for indirect competitors. And let us see about differentiation. Developing innovative elements in the business which can be predicted by the competitors is referred to as differentiation. So developing innovative elements in the business which cannot be predicted by the competitors is known as differentiation. Example, the customers will not be attracted towards an Italian restaurant pizza which is almost same as of other restaurant. But if some sort of differentiation in pizza such as changes in taste, size or style is done, then they will be attracted more to that restaurant or pizza. Okay, so this is how the differentiation example for differentiation goes. And next, the last is technology. Technology, the competitive environment is also influenced by technological innovations and it will impact negatively to those firms who do not adapt such innovations or advancements. Example, online takeout services are initiated with the help of internet by many restaurants which is providing quite a facility for many customers who do not find it comfortable to order through call. So this is how the example for technology goes. Okay, so if they are not able to give a call directly to the restaurant, then they can just seek the help of internet and they can order the products. Okay, so this is how the technology example for technology goes. So in this video we were discussing about the competitive environment and we were discussing about the competition. Competition is the rivalry among sellers trying to achieve the goals like increasing profit, increasing market share, increasing sales volume, etc. This is made by making some alterations or variations in the marketing mix, that is price, product, distribution and promotion. And we were studying about competitors. Competitors are those persons or entity which is rival against another. And we were studying about different types of competitors. Competitors include direct competitors and indirect competitors. Direct competitors are those who sell very similar goods and services. Indirect competitors are those who sell unrelated goods and services but to a similar market. And these are some of the elements of competitive environment. First one is the regulatory elements that is formed by the government, and second one is direct competitors who sell very similar goods and services, and next is indirect competitors who sell unrelated goods and services, and the last one is differentiation. Differentiation is by making some sort of innovative elements which cannot be predicted by the competitors. And the last one is the technology. In the present era, technology plays a very important role in becoming a competitive environment to the business organization. That is all about this video. Thank you all for listening to me.